Okay guys, we got a success.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Welcome to Rifki the Cyber. In the previous video, I already explained it to you how what is the background that why I want to share about the SS7, mainly the mobile application part using the anytime interrogations. And I already shared with you what is the protocol stack, how is the SCTP handshake, etc. Also, I give it to you how we prepare for running and to simulate the SS7 request using the anytime interrogation using our laptop. So we can get a feel that, oh, this is the Sigtran running in my laptop and I know how to generate those traffic. So you can get a feel like that. It's easy for us to learn. It's easy for us to absorb the request and how to learn it itself. And we can catch it from the Wireshark. Guys, rather than a lot of chatty, let's test now. Okay, it's initialized and this is listening already. Of course, I still need to open the requirement before. So for me, it's easy to set up the client right now when I want to sending the SIGPloit with the SIGPloit anytime interrogations. USR, SRC, SIGPloit, LTR. This is using Python, so we just write it. Python SIGPloit. Oh, I will just quit. Wait. Wrong. I will just using this one. Control Shift T again. We need to get the parameter again because I'm easy to forget. SIGPloit attack. Testing attack. Server attack. Locations, anytime interrogations, and cat with instruction again. And then from this one, I will just open the SIGPloit again, and then I will choose SS7 0 location tracking. Yeah, anytime interrogations will throw you with the anytime result, like let's say like okay, this is the location info, this is where is the cell identity resided from this number. Okay, we will just start now. 3. Okay, it's asking what is the point code, the originating point code. Point code is 1. This is our point code acting as client. Later I will show it to you later in the pickup file. Okay, as the result of this will be the OPC, originating point code. The peer IP 2, client IP, the one that we just add. Okay, client port 2905. This is a common port that usually used for the M3 UA for this one. And then the PRP will be the HLR acting in this Java applications. Before enter, look at it first. Okay, correct. Peer port 2906. Yeah, you just need to look at it from here. Okay, set network indicator. I will just choose international 0. Okay, we just choose international. Target MSSDN is this one. Okay, before we continue with this, I would like to open the Wireshark. So we can see the dialog, right? I think this is in the loopback. Okay, try. Oh yeah, the GT. The GT, I will just choose 1, 2, 3. So it's like from UK operator. Initialing, hopefully smooth. Here. Okay, this is the dialog of the SCTP. Okay, it's using the SCTP dialog. If in the I already explained in the intro, right? about how the TCP IP is established, but this is using SCTP. TCP IP is established is using like SYN, SYN request sending SYN, and then dari SCK, and then SYN send SCK, and then both parties established in the server listening first until they receiving the SYN etc. in the TCP IP, and then after that sending the SYN synchronized send SCK etc. and then it's become established both. But SCTP is quite different. It's using the init, and then from the client sending init, and then init SCK, and then cookie SCK, and then heartbeat. Then this is established in the SCTP. Now let's look how will be the result for this. Okay guys, we got a success. Okay, this is our anytime interrogations. Okay, like before that I mentioned it to you, right, from United Kingdom sending this. What we request the location information. So commonly, usually the anytime interrogation is used for the location. Where's the location of this guy? Okay, subscriber state, which is idle or what? Yeah, current locations, IMEI, right, to see what is the phone type, etc. And the one that we configured before, like point code, right? Point code, others, right? So we can find it here. Here, the point code, here, originating point code. Protocol data, this is one. The PC1, the PC2, originating PC, this one. Destination point code, this one, because we are sending here, right? If this one, the OPC and DBC will be vice versa. Correct, this is 0. This is the one in the MTP. So I think it's really... the guy there is really asking about the nature of network indicator here, not the nature of address indicator. The nature of address of indicator is the one that I mentioned it to you is here, for the one that I just mentioned it to you. So that is a network indicator basically. Yeah, but still you can find it there. You can learn of this one, the anytime interrogations, in the 3GPP TS 29.002. Okay, now let's see how is the result. As I mentioned it to you, the OPC DPC is vice versa, see, and this is the result. So we got location info, geographical here. Oh, that's good. There's latitude longitude already here. We just need to copy this one, copy the value, and then we just open here. Oh, in Arabic. Yeah, I think the number is using 965, right? I think 965 is in Kuwait, if I'm not wrong. And also common usually that, and the one and this one is what do you call this, is the common way that usually if you want to get the locations of the subscriber, we usually using this cell global identification. Helping you a bit how to define this one, divided by 2 by 2, everything of them, each of it was better like this. I'll just replace with this, press all. Okay, that's good. And you just need to do the vice versa, each of it, until MCC MNC level. In the LACCI, you don't need this one, yeah, for one. This one, 9F, okay. Sorry, 9F, okay, 9F. This is 02, so it will be 40902. 41902. Yeah, this is quite. Don't mind about the result of the number, because that is sometimes a dummy number, right? And this one we don't need to vice versa. This one, I think 04, it will be like 04D2. Calculator here. Okay. 4D2, number 1, yeah, 1 2 3 4. That means 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then 16 to E. 16 to E. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4, and then the below here will be 5 6 7 8. Now normally I'm using this one, just normally I just using this one, just put it here 419, right? 419, and then this is 41902, and definitely we cannot find it because 1 2 3 like this, because it sounds very perfect, so there will be no matching with this one. So I know that we can find that the location geographically is answer, but usually the common way is we are using the let me get back to you here. We are usually using this one, not this one. Okay, I think this is already good example. Anyway, normally if the operator have a very solid for the security of the anytime interrogation, or for any malicious or abuse request of the SS7, which is unlawfully from the back door, that they will some people aware about this one. Normally if the operator have a very solid security, they will answer this in the map level. ATI is not allowed. Of course there are pros and cons with that one. The pro is okay, this is clear, this GT is not allowed to sending the anytime interrogations, clear. But the cons is, it is telling to the bad malicious guy that, oh, correct, this GT correct, this one is correct, and I'm access, which is actually giving an not good response. Sometimes it's very good also, right? Congratulations, we already success sending SIGTRAN with the GSM map anytime interrogations. Happy try for another, like provide subscriber info, sending routing info. You can try it by yourself, of course. Hello guys, congrats. Now you already have this part 2 is already concluded with the how you can running the SS7 map. Mainly in this example is the anytime interrogations. That means you officially already have knowledge, and if you practice it, you already have experience to generate those kind of traffic. And as I want to inform you that these anytime interrogations also sometimes used for the business driven, for the rating purpose, for example, and also sometimes in the law enforcement use that for tracking the suspect or the fugitive guy. Congrats, still the same message. Keep learning and stay humble.